Article 348.42 prohibits the use of angle connectors, which includes 90-degree connectors, for concealed raceway installations. This prohibition is intended to prevent the accumulation of moisture and debris inside the connector, which could subsequently lead to electrical hazards. The accumulation of moisture can cause corrosion, while debris can impede proper electrical connections, both of which can compromise the integrity of the electrical system and increase the risk of faults or fires. The angle connector's design, particularly when concealed, may create pockets where condensation or particulate matter can collect over time, making it difficult to detect and remedy these potential issues. Article 330 does not prohibit the concealment of metal-clad cable, or MC, 90-degree connectors. The rationale behind this distinction lies in the fact that MC 90-degree connectors are considered an integral part of a pre-manufactured cable assembly rather than a raceway. As such, they are not subject to the same restrictions as angle connectors used in raceway systems. MC cable is a factory-assembled cable consisting of one or more insulated conductors enclosed in a metallic sheath of interlocking tape or a smooth or corrugated metallic tube. The connectors used with MC cable are designed and tested as part of the cable assembly to ensure electrical safety and mechanical integrity. Because the MC cable and its connectors are pre-manufactured and tested to meet specific standards, they are deemed suitable for concealed installations without posing the same risks associated with angle connectors and raceways. In summary, when dealing with concealed raceway installations, angle connectors, including 90-degree connectors, are prohibited. This is due to concerns about moisture and debris accumulation, which can lead to electrical hazards. However, MC 90-degree connectors can be concealed because they are part of the pre-manufactured MC cable assembly. This distinction arises from the fact that MC cable systems are designed and tested as complete assemblies, ensuring their suitability for concealed applications without the same risks associated with raceway angle connectors. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifically addresses these differences to ensure electrical safety and prevent potential hazards in various wiring methods. Understanding these regulations is crucial for electrical professionals to ensure compliance and maintain safe electrical installations. When installing electrical systems, it is essential to adhere to the NEC guidelines regarding the concealment of angle connectors and MC 90-degree connectors. Failing to comply with these regulations can lead to safety hazards, such as electrical shorts, fires, and equipment damage. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards that provides detailed requirements for electrical installations to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Prohibition of angle connectors in concealed raceways is primarily aimed at preventing the accumulation of moisture and debris. Moisture can lead to corrosion of the metal components, reducing the effectiveness of the electrical connections and increasing the risk of electrical faults. Debris, such as dust, dirt, and other foreign materials, can also accumulate inside the connectors, further impeding proper electrical contact and increasing the risk of overheating or arcing. By prohibiting angle connectors in concealed raceways, the NEC aims to minimize these risks and ensure the long-term reliability and safety of the electrical system. On the other hand, MC 90-degree connectors are permitted to be concealed because they are part of a pre-manufactured cable assembly. MC cable is designed to provide a high level of protection for the conductors, and the connectors used with MC cable are specifically designed and tested to maintain the integrity of the cable system. The metallic sheath of MC cable provides mechanical protection for the conductors, shielding them from physical damage and reducing the risk of insulation breakdown. Additionally, MC cable is often installed with grounding conductors, which provide a low impedance path for fault currents, further enhancing electrical safety. The pre-manufactured nature of MC cable assemblies ensures that all components are properly matched and installed, reducing the risk of errors during installation. This is particularly important in concealed installations, where it may be difficult to inspect and maintain the electrical system after it has been installed. The NEC recognizes the benefits of using pre-manufactured cable assemblies and allows for the concealment of MC 90-degree connectors, provided that the installation complies with all other applicable requirements. It is important to note that while MC 90-degree connectors can be concealed, they must still be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and all applicable codes and standards. Improper installation can compromise the safety and reliability of the electrical system, even if the components themselves are approved for concealed use. Therefore, it is essential for electrical professionals to have a thorough understanding of the NEC requirements for MC cable installations and to follow best practices for installation and maintenance. In summary, the NEC prohibits the use of angle connectors and concealed raceways to prevent the accumulation of moisture and debris, while allowing for the concealment of MC 90-degree connectors because they are part of a pre-manufactured cable assembly. This distinction is based on the different design characteristics and performance capabilities of raceway systems and cable assemblies. By adhering to these regulations, electrical professionals can ensure the safety and reliability of electrical installations in both residential and commercial buildings. It is also crucial to consider the specific requirements for different types of electrical systems and applications. For example, the NEC may have different requirements for wiring in hazardous locations, such as areas where flammable materials are present. In these cases, it is essential to use appropriate wiring methods and equipment that are specifically designed for those environments. The NEC also provides guidance on the selection of conductors, overcurrent protection devices, and other electrical components. Choosing the right components for the application is critical to ensure the proper functioning and safety of the electrical system. Electrical professionals should always consult the NEC and other applicable standards to ensure that their installations meet all relevant requirements. Continuing education and training are also essential to stay up to date with the latest changes and advancements in electrical technology. By staying informed and following best practices, electrical professionals can provide safe, reliable, and efficient electrical services to their clients. In addition to the specific requirements for angle connectors and MC 90-degree connectors, the NEC also addresses other aspects of concealed wiring installations. For example, the NEC specifies the types of wiring methods that are permitted to be concealed, as well as the requirements for supporting and protecting concealed wiring. The NEC also provides guidance on the location and spacing of electrical boxes and other enclosures in concealed locations. The goal of these requirements is to ensure that concealed wiring installations are safe, accessible, and maintainable. Concealed wiring installations can present unique challenges for electrical professionals. It can be difficult to inspect and maintain concealed wiring, and problems may not be detected until they cause a safety hazard. Therefore, it is essential to use high-quality materials and installation techniques to minimize the risk of problems. It is also important to properly document concealed wiring installations so that future electrical professionals can easily locate and identify the wiring. This documentation should include detailed drawings or diagrams showing the location of the wiring, as well as information on the types of wiring methods and components used. By following these best practices, electrical professionals can ensure that concealed wiring installations are safe, reliable, and easy to maintain. Furthermore, the NEC addresses the requirements for electrical boxes and enclosures used in concealed wiring installations. These boxes and enclosures must be securely mounted and properly sized to accommodate the wiring and devices they contain. The NEC also specifies the types of materials that are permitted to be used for electrical boxes and enclosures, as well as the requirements for grounding and bonding. Grounding and bonding are critical for electrical safety as they provide a low impedance path for fault currents, reducing the risk of electrical shock. The NEC also requires that electrical boxes and enclosures be accessible for inspection and maintenance. This means that they must be located in areas where they can be easily reached, and they must not be obstructed by furniture, equipment, or other objects. In some cases, it may be necessary to provide access panels or doors to allow access to concealed electrical boxes and enclosures. In addition to the requirements for electrical boxes and enclosures, the NEC also addresses the requirements for conductors used in concealed wiring installations. The NEC specifies the types of conductors that are permitted to be used in concealed wiring, as well as the requirements for insulation, opacity, and overcurrent protection. The NEC also provides guidance on the selection of conductors for different types of electrical loads such as lighting, appliances, and motors. Choosing the right conductors for the application is critical to ensure the proper functioning and safety of the electrical system. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect conductors from overheating due to excessive current flow. The NEC specifies the maximum overcurrent protection rating for different sizes and types of conductors. It is important to select overcurrent protection devices that are properly sized for the conductors they protect to prevent overheating and potential fires. Moreover, the NEC provides guidelines for the installation of various wiring methods in concealed locations. These guidelines cover topics such as the proper spacing and support of cables, the use of conduit and raceways, and the protection of wiring from physical damage. The NEC also addresses the requirements for wiring in specific types of concealed locations such as attics, crawl spaces, and wall cavities. Wiring in these locations may be subject to additional requirements such as protection from moisture and physical damage. It is essential for electrical professionals to be familiar with these requirements and to follow them carefully to ensure the safety and reliability of concealed wiring installations. In conclusion, the NEC provides a comprehensive set of standards for electrical installations, including those involving concealed wiring. The NEC addresses various aspects of concealed wiring, such as the use of angle connectors and MC 90-degree connectors, the requirements for electrical boxes and enclosures, the selection of conductors, and the installation of different wiring methods. By adhering to the NEC guidelines and following best practices, electrical professionals can ensure the safety, reliability, and maintainability of concealed wiring installations. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for electrical professionals to stay up to date with the latest changes and advancements in electrical technology. By staying informed and committed to excellence, electrical professionals can provide valuable services to their clients and contribute to the safety of the community. The NEC serves as a cornerstone for electrical safety, and its proper application is paramount for all electrical work.